Are you wondering, what can you use caraway essential oil for? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you the history of caraway, many of our favorite uses, and a few more fun facts. Stick around to the end and I'll teach you how to download my free essential oil usage guide. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. So we are really excited that we now have this beautiful caraway essential oil at doTERRA. This is a limited time only product, and so I thought I would jump on here and share with you some fun facts and just some of the cool things about caraway essential oil. So caraway essential oil comes from the caraway plant, which is a member of the carrot family. If you didn't know, I actually didn't know that until I started doing some research. It's also a cousin to dill, anise, fennel, and cumin. Caraway seeds might be small, but these tiny packages yield an amazing essential oil that is bursting with many compounds that offer powerful properties. The distinct aroma from caraway comes from D-carvone, which makes the raw seeds of the star flavor of dishes like Bavarian sauerkraut, rye bread, and German sausages. Next is limonene. Limonene is a constituent commonly found in citrus oils that is known for its uplifting and cleansing properties. This makes caraway essential oil a great tool for oral care and for keeping the teeth looking clean and healthy. So let's talk about two fun facts about caraway essential oil. Did you know that fossilized caraway seeds have been found in Stone Age dwellings, suggesting that humans have been using this seed, this caraway seed, for at least 8,000 years? Wow! The ancient Egyptians are also known to have used caraway in herbal preparations. And here's another fun fact. An entertaining Germanic legend tells that the goddess of earth, Hertha, made her lovers disappear, and the only survivors were those who carried caraway seed with them. The caraway plant grows in grasslands and cultivated fields native to Europe, Asia, and Northern Africa. It's also known by several other names, such as Meridian fennel, Persian cumin, and European caraway. The plant looks like fennel with clusters of small white flowers in a flat flower top head formation, and it grows approximately 24 inches tall. A biennial plant, caraway generally begins blooming and producing seeds in its second year. The long and tiny seeds are collected, crushed, and transformed into caraway essential oil through steam distillation that roughly takes around 10 hours. Caraway oil is used for several things, but it is most commonly used for internal and digestive support. Take caraway internally to access the gastrointestinal benefits of caraway oil. There are a few ways to take this internally. You can simply add it to your water, just one drop into a glass of water, or you can pop it into a veggie capsule, but you can also cook with it as well. Additionally, caraway can help with weight management when taken internally. In clinical studies, caraway extract exhibited properties helpful to reducing appetite and managing weight when combined with exercise. That's super cool. Limonene and carvone, like we talked about before, are the two main constituents found in caraway essential oil. This can also be soothing to the body when ingested. In an experimental research, ingestion of limonene was soothing to the colon, and carvone showed that it had soothing properties to the nervous system. So what does caraway essential oil smell like? Caraway essential oil smells herbaceous and slightly woody. A drop or two of caraway makes a great addition to oil blends as a warm yet fresh note. So let's talk about cooking with caraway essential oil. The next time your recipe calls for caraway, try using caraway essential oil. It's incredibly potent, so a very little goes a long way. The best way to access caraway's fabulous internal benefits is by taking a toothpick and just barely putting a little of the essential oil on that and swirling that in your whatever dish you're preparing. Now, if you want it to be a little bit stronger, you can do the toothpick trick again, or you can take your chances and put a drop straight in. Now, one of my favorite ways to put a drop of any essential oil into something I'm cooking is to put it on a spoon first. Just in case 2 or 3 drops come out, you can start over. If you put 2 or 3 drops in, and it might overwhelm your entire dish. So that's just a warning for you. When it comes to healthy digestion and soothing the body, you can count on caraway. Caraway essential oil offers powerful gastrointestinal support when ingested, which means that when life throws you tummy troubles, you can keep calm and caraway on. Let's finish up here with a few ways that you can use caraway essential oil today. You can apply 1 drop of caraway oil to your toothbrush when brushing your teeth, both morning and night, to help maintain a clean mouth. You can add 1 drop of caraway oil and 1 drop of clove oil to your water and use that as a daily mouth rinse. You can also support a soothing abdominal massage by including caraway essential oil as a gentle aroma that goes along with that. You can also diffuse 3 to 4 drops for a sweet, calming, aromatic benefit that comes from using caraway during a meal. You can also add 1 drop of caraway oil and 1 drop of lavender to a warm bath for a uniquely relaxing aroma. Now, caraway essential oil blends best with any of the citrus oils, Roman chamomile, bergamot, which is actually a citrus oil as well as spice oils such as fennel, cardamom, ginger, and coriander. Now, if you're interested in getting some caraway essential oil, please reach out to me. You can find my information in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Click that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, as promised, I promised to tell you how to download my essential oil usage guide that has over, I believe, 80 essential oils with their uses and whether or not they are sensitive or you can put them on neat. You can find that link in the description below. Simply click that link, input your email, and it will be sent directly to your inbox. Have a wonderful day. We look forward to seeing you all very soon. Oh, don't forget, I'm actually uploading a caraway essential oil diffuser video as well that you can find here or in the description below. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.